Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's DJ again if you don't already know. So I'm back with another video. As you can see on the title, we are going to do an unboxing. I have received this package from Yesstyle.com. For you guys that doesn't know what Yesstyle.com is, it is an Asian online website which is very well known for selling Korean fashion and Korean beauties. So you can find men, women, accessories, and even for children. So today I'm going to unbox what they have sent me. I don't know what is inside this box, so yeah, we'll see. So let us start with the unboxing. I have received this like few days ago. I removed it already on this plastic packaging. It says here, pull to open. Oh my days. Oh my god. There is a lot of like small bags. You can see. Let me pull this one out. Oops. Oh no. So yeah, this is the first one that I got. Let us open this up. It comes, I think it's a bag. Yes, it is. And it does come with a dust bag. Oh my god, you guys. Thank you, Yesstyle. This is so nice and cute. I'm not really into bags, but I really appreciate this. It's very small. Oh no, it's not a dust bag. This is the dust bag. So when I checked it, it was like this, like that. It does have this cute style. I think you can like wear it like this, like a basket. It's a cute basket. However, inside you have the strap. Inside you have this long strap. Let us try this one out. So whenever you're outside, I think this one is very secure bag, because whenever you close it, you can definitely pull this one down and they will never ever get something from you. You can definitely adjust this. It has got like 3 adjustments, but you can still definitely like make some hole for an extra. It's like chocolate beige color, like that. Oh, it matches my nail polish. So yeah, this is the first item that I got. Thank you, Yesstyle.
An emptiness so vast yet so complete. It makes me feel so small, standing on my feet. Just a speck of life, so discreet. Nothing really matters, it's a deceit. Hey now, it's passing so fast that you'll miss it if you blink. So now watch out.
The second one, I think this is another bag. It's like very hard. This is really cute. the dust bag. And this one, heart-shaped clam. You can wear or style this whenever you go like on a party. Like, where did you got that bag? I got it from Yesstyle. I really don't know how you open it. I don't want to ruin this. Okay guys, so now I know how you open this one. So just to pull this way, and then it opens. See, like this. And then you have this thing, so you can wear it like this way. Also, this one comes with a long strap. So this is the strap in gold as well. Yes, it's like silver. It's silver. I don't know. It's like gold and silver, but this one is definitely gold. And just undo this. Struggle is real. Struggle is real. Oh my days. So you have this one for only this. And you can actually remove this and then put the other one, but I will choose like to keep this like this. The end has got this look, and then we're going to put in here. There. On the same day, on the day you can use this, and on the night you can use this. So I will choose to keep this here in, by chance you want to like change the style. This one is the third item, and I think this is a tote bag. It's this like wave, sea wave print on it with like Japanese characters. I think this is. I can definitely use this in the university. So it's just a simple bag with this pouch inside. There. You can like put here all your like personal belongings. I mean your phone and such. It's really nice. It's cute. Oh, you can also tie this like that. Until your rib cage. Not tight. Very comfy. I think this one is cotton. It only states that it's made in China, so I don't know if it's cotton, polyester, nylon, whatever it is.
In the Milky Way, it's passing so fast that you'll miss it if you blink. So now watch out.
As you all know, I don't know anything that's inside the box. They only sent this out as a PR package. Cute. This is the 1, 2, 3, fourth thing that I received from them. Oh my god, there is a lot. It's really cute. I think it's like that. Yeah. Streetwear. Very nice. Let us open this one up. The strap. And on this one, like there is this, I don't know how you call it, but yeah. So it's like this. It's like you just tighten it up, but I will not recommend you guys to like put something like valuable on this. The zip like lies here at the back, which you are going to like wear like this, so nobody can never open it other than you. Here it does states MCYS and JPN, Japan limited edition. Let's try this. It's like plasticky material. How do you wear it? Like that. Okay, next item. So that's the fourth one. I think this is the last bag. This, oh, no way, no way, no freaking way. This is the last bag that they sent me. Oh my god, like crocodile pattern, but it's not really crocodile. I think it's just synthetic. It's definitely not a real leather because Yesstyle.com is known for cheap Korean fashion. Very nice. It matches my nail color. How do you know that brown looks good on me? It's like I live in this color. Very neutral. You can pair it with anything. So when you open this bag, it's like that. There is no like a zip. It's just this lock. So it's not very secure. Yes. Where did you get that from? I got it from Yesstyle. Thanks, Yesstyle.
It's passing so fast that you'll miss it if you blink. So now watch out. There's a billion stars right on.
So everything that I showed you here will be linked on the description box. If you want to get and buy them, just use the code that I'm going to leave in the description box so you can save money. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and please also click the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you for watching. Bye!
She put my name with yellow hearts. Her favorite color like the stars. I didn't listen very hard when she told me she was crazy from the start.